Hi, my name is Valeria, I'm from the KernelCare team, and today we are going to give you the instructions on how to proceed if you experience the unknown kernel error while using KernelCare. So, let's imagine you've just installed KernelCare and suddenly you see the unknown kernel error. Don't panic. Firstly, your kernel is the newer one and there are no known security issues in this kernel. The second possible reason is that KernelCare does not support your kernel or distribution. Another reason is that KernelCare may run inside the container and therefore it is unable to patch the kernel. And the final reason is that you are using a non-production or a beta version. So let's jump to the case number 1. If the kernel is shown as unsupported, then KernelCare can't recognize your kernel. First, we run the KernelCare checker to check if the current kernel is supported by it. The checker defines it as unsupported. Then we double-check the OS and the kernel version. The OS we use here is Ubuntu 18.04 and the kernel version is 4.4.0. We look up this information via this link. If we haven't found the kernel in this list, then it won't be supported by KernelCare. So case number 2 is for the Ubuntu unsupported. It's basically the same situation, but with a different kernel version. This one is not supported as well, so it's okay to see the script's unsupported output. Case number 3 is compatible, so it means that it will work with KernelCare. This is the good scenario, where we can proceed with KernelCare installation. The KernelCare checker gives us the compatible message. We double-check it on patches.kernelcare.com, and here you go, we can start the KernelCare installation from there. Case number 4, unsupported or inside the container. In this case, KernelCare is running inside the container and it is unable to patch the server. So, don't panic. You are safe even if you have an unknown kernel error. But if you still have doubts and you want to chat to our support team, you can do that via the link below. Thank you very much for watching this video and take care of your Linux kernels.